Hey guys, congratulations to me. Today I've done this. Anyway, that's not really what I wanted to show you. What I wanted to show you was not any of this because that is... Wait. Let me bring you up closer. Oh gosh, you guys probably can't even see. There. I can barely see. Look at it. Well, if you guys can't even see, then I'm just telling you that it's storming a lot out there, so I can't go out there. Nope. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear the sound. Anyway, today I wanted to show you that I can solve this. Not the whole thing though, but I can solve one side. And I could solve probably any side. But let's get to it. Okay guys, after a couple of hours, I got this. Now, we are going to try to solve my favorite color. Blue. A couple hours of me struggling. Guys, I finally got it. Oh shoot, wrong way. I can't believe I did that on YouTube. It's not that exciting actually. But now, let's try to solve another one. What should I solve? What did I solve? Okay, I know what I'm gonna solve. Alright, so we're going to mix this up. My favorite part. Yeah. This is how fun, excitingness. Yeah, come on. Twist. Okay, we are going to try to solve this color. Yellow. So, let's get started. So guys, I twisted it up. Now, let's get... Hey, stop it, camera. Gosh. Let's get started. Is there anything I can use? Any helpful resources? Oh, there you go. Where are you? Piece of junk. Junk bot! Nope. This is where I get caught up in situations like this. Hey, these dumb situations. Oh, did I just mess this up? Probably not. Oh. And now, I don't know. Oh, yes I do. Look, see? Look. I'm about to get this, guys. 1 sec. Okay, guys, I just maybe, skipped a couple of parts because I know how boring this can be. But, I don't like to bore my fans. And I've just ruined it. You know what, guys? I'll be back again. So, guys, so far, I've gotten this. I'm trying very, very hard. It's really hard. Well, I'm not really trying hard, but 1 second again. After a couple seconds of doing something for my brother, I did it. So, what do you guys think we should do? Oh! Yes! Look at this. Okay. Let me show you this. Boom. Twist. Wait. Yeah. And then up. Wait. Okay, you guys see? Ow! Come on! Oh. Ta-da! See that? I just solved it again. So what do you guys want to solve? So wait, I'm not even live streaming. Anyway. So guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. It's been fun. I will make more videos since I'm now making videos a lot. I finally got the hang of it. Sorry, my face was kind of out of the camera. I was just looking at my come on again. I was looking at the Rubik's Cube. Anyway, if you watch, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and go check out the 3 Bro Show. A show that a show that I'm also on with my 2 brothers. And subscribe. Didn't I already say subscribe? What's wrong with me? Go check out Eli the Gamer and Epicster Gaming /vlog. If he's not watching this video, I will unsubscribe. Still. And yeah, have a good time.